Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. I'm here today to do a 150 plus giveaway. It's not going to be a long video. I'd just like to say thank you so much for all your support and for subscribing to my channel. I'm glad to be of help, and I'm glad that you stick around and watch my videos and also comment and interact with me. So I'm really grateful for that. Now, what I'm going to give away today is, I'll show you a packet of Dip Dabs. They're retro old school sweets. These are from the 70s, 80s. They're lovely. This has got a lollipop in there, and it's got the sherbet that you dip the lolly in and you suck it. The lolly is strawberry flavour, and it's natural colours and flavours. It's an absolute delicious treat, and I'm giving this away today. Now, it's very easy. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Please don't subscribe just to enter the giveaway and then unsubscribe after that. That's not nice. And number two, I'd like you to comment below what you think about the items or the supplies that's been given away today, and what can you create with them, and what part of the world you're from. So that's what I'm giving away today. No, just joking. No, this is going to be in your bag with your giveaway as well. They're absolutely delicious. You dip the lollipop into the sherbet and it's so fizzy and it's just tingly on your tongue. And as I said, it's natural colours and flavours. So that's what I'm giving away. I'm putting that in the goodie bag for you. So whoever wins this is a lucky gal. Okay, so that's that. And also I'm giving away these. There's 30 bulldog clips in here, but I will be taking them out of the container because it's a bit awkward to pack, and I'll be putting them in a Jiffy envelope to send off, a different package. So I'll try and lie them as flat as I can. So you've got 30 bulldog clips. You can do what you want with those. And then we have this lovely little cute post-it note folder. Isn't it lovely? So cute. Look at that. So you've got that. And also you've got a packet of handy envelopes, and there's 85, do beg your pardon, in this packet. So this is really handy to have as well. You know, you can embellish them, decorate them, do what you want with them. Then you have a packet of organza craft bags. There's 5 in the packet, and they're really nice because I use them a lot for jewellery and all sorts of bits and pieces, and they're really nice. These ones are white. I've got pink and lilac, and they're really handy to have in your craft stash. You'll also get these Razzle Dazzle glitter gel pens. There's 12 in a pack, brand new, and there you have it. Alright. And then you have this sealed task notes. There's 600 decorative sticky notes in here, and they're also pretty, and that's brand new and sealed. Alright. And then I have this market list that I've not used before. Okay. And there's 100 sheets of this, and you can, it's got a magnet on the back, you can put it on your fridge. Isn't it pretty with the ice cream? So pretty. So that's that. And I've got this as well. I've got a few of them, and I just thought I'd share. This one is a card, and it says with thanks. That is so pretty. I mean, you don't have to give it as a card. You could even use this to do something with, you know, and that's brand new, sealed in the pack. And last but not least, here you have is 2018 to 19 academic year planner, and it's absolutely wonderful. It is from August this year up until July next year, and it says believe in yourself. It's a really nice planner, really nice. We've got, so that's that. So I'll just go over what I'd like you to do once again quickly. I'd like you to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, and number 2 is comment below what you think about the items and the supplies that's been given away and what can you create with them. And also number 3, what part of the world are you from? I'd love to know, because I really would like to interact with my subscribers, not just subscribe and watch my videos. It's lovely, you know, to go onto your page, or send you a message to say hi, how you doing, how's things going, and just be nice. Just be nice. And what else did I want to say? Yes, it's an international giveaway as well, so feel free. So once again, number 1, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and number 2 is comment below what you think about the items or the supplies that's been given away. What can you create with them? And number 3, what part of the world are you from? So I'd just like to say good luck with that, and again thank you so much for being so supportive and being here for me. Take care of your good selves, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye for now. Bye.